Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my contouring plus highlighting. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. So as well as taking my clean and moisturized face, I'm going to take this foundation from Benefit. It's a Happy Hello Soft Blur foundation and I'm on the shade number 2. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to conceal plus highlight my face, especially under my eye area, bridge of my nose, chin, and then a little bit on my forehead as well. Actually, concealing and highlighting चाहिँ किन गर्ने भन्दा चाहिँ कन्सिल भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो अनुहारमा भएको दागहरूलाई छोप्ने अनि हाइलाइट भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो अनुहारमा भएको उठेको भागहरूलाई चाहिँ अझै उच्च देखाउने जसले कारणले चाहिँ हाम्रो अनुहार चाहिँ अलिक सेपमा देखिन्छ है. So for the face contouring, I prefer using this kind of brush. The golden ones are from BS Cosmetic 126 and 125, and the silver one is from Morphe. It's a Morphe ankle brush. And for your nose, you can use your eyeshadow brush, or you can just pinch the brush like that, and you are good to go. And here I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit just to contour my face, especially my cheekbone, jawline, and nose. And if you guys are beginner, I recommend you to use powder contour than cream contour because powder contour is more easier to blend. अनि जहिले पनि कन्टुर गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ गालाको हड्डीको ठ्याक्क तल अनि त्यसपछि जलाइनको यो हड्डीमा अनि नाकको डाँडीको छेउछेउमा गर्नुपर्छ जसले गर्दा चाहिँ हाम्रो अनुहार चाहिँ अलिकति चुच्चो सेपको देखिन्छ है. अनि कन्टुर गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रोसँग चाहिँ ब्लेन्ड गर्नुपर्छ है. राम्रोसँग ब्लेन्ड गरेन भने चाहिँ अलिकति कस्तो नराम्रो प्याची देखिन्छ के है. अनि कन्टुर हाइलाइटर भनेको चाहिँ आफ्नो अनुहारमा भएको नराम्रो भागहरूलाई चाहिँ लुकाउने अनि हाइलाइट भनेको चाहिँ अनुहारमा भएको राम्रो पार्टहरूलाई चाहिँ देखाउने. अनि तपाईँहरूले एकदमै चुच्चो नाक मनपर्छ भने ठुलो लिप्सहरू मनपर्छ फुल लिप्स मनपर्छ भने चाहिँ त्यो पनि गर्न मिल्छ है कन्टुरिङ हाइलाइटले गर्दाखेरि. So now I'm going to set my contour with my Hoola bronzer from Benefit. So now if you guys have really oily skin or you like that crazy baking, go ahead and do it. For me, it's really dry here, so I'm just going to set my concealer. So for the blusher, I'm going to take this Body Shop pink blusher. अनि ब्लसर लगाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ यसरी खिस्सा मुसुका हाँस्ने अनि त्यसपछि उठेको भागमा चाहिँ ब्लसर लगाउने. मलाई चाहिँ यस्तो अरू नाकमा निधारमा पनि लगाएको मनपर्छ किनभने अलिक नेचुरल देख्छ नि त है त्यही भएर. So as a highlighting brush, I prefer using big floppy eyeshadow blending brush, and that fan brush is from Real Technique. And I'm going to take my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette to highlight my face, especially my nose, cheekbone, and a little bit on my cupid's bow and chin as well, and not forgetting that brow bone. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.